Omar, what you building, bro?
I'm over here working on this starter for this Mercedes-Benz.
Okay. So we got this vehicle in for no crank, no start. And it has a bad starter, which is right there. Look like it's had better days. This is a 4MATIC. Let's get this thing out. So we have it removed. It's in tight quarters. But this here, you can clearly see that this is the original starter that came with the vehicle. See the Mercedes-Benz number and sticker on it? So let's go ahead and get the replacement one in. New one is installed. Let's see if she starts. All right, so we're gonna do this in real time. Let's see if this thing starts. I guess you're diagnosed. Okay, there it is. All right, so we up and running. So let's go call our customer, because the reason why that starter went bad was probably that oil leak that was leaking down from the cam cover, dripping on the starter. So let's go talk to the customer and let's see if there's gonna be a part 2 to this.